Hey everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up splash pages for your PrettyLinks. So instead of visitors jumping straight to your destination, they'll hit a branded page first. You'll be able to add a heading, a subheading, an optional image or video, and up to 2 buttons, which means that you can promote a second offer, do things like require an ad view, or post a notification or something like a compliance disclosure before they move on. So anything that you want to include on your splash page, you can do that with PrettyLinks. So before you get started, you'll need to have PrettyLinks 4.0 installed on your WordPress website. And then you'll just need to install the add-on. To do that, just go to PrettyLinks in the left sidebar of WordPress and Add-ons, find Splash Pages, and then click to install and activate the add-on. Now for this video, I'm just going to keep things really basic and just set up a simple splash page on a new PrettyLink. So I'm going to go to Add New to create a brand new PrettyLink. And this will be for like a fake sample affiliate link for a backpack product. So I'll give the link a name like that. And then for the target URL, I'll just use this Amazon link just for an example here. I'll paste that right here. So this is my destination link. And the slug, I'll modify that a bit. Like that. And then to make it a splash page, under redirect type, click the dropdown, and then select Splash. And then you'll see the Splash link here added on the edit page for a link. And I'm just going to keep things basic for the video, so I'm not going to mess with any of these settings. But to set up my splash page, you'll just click Splash right here on the left. And then here's where you can choose what shows up. And you'll get a small preview of what it's going to look like here on the right. So you can add a heading. So again, this is all just sample information right here. Looks like that. And an optional subheading, like that. And then media type, you can either use the global default, which you can set in the options of PrettyLinks. So that'll be set by default on all of your PrettyLinks moving forward, in all of your splash pages. Or in the dropdown, you can select none, meaning no media at all. You can select an image, which will be an image in your WordPress media library, or a video. So I'm going to select video. And then you would just paste the embed URL for the video here. So I'm just going to use this sample video that I found on YouTube for this example, and I'll paste that video link here. So it'll embed this video on my splash page. For the CTAs, you can choose 1 or 2 buttons, which will be links that your visitors can click on. So I already have these PrettyLinks set up on my WordPress site here, so I'm just going to choose them. So you just click Choose a PrettyLink. You could search for them here or just scroll and find them. So I'll click my affiliate link right here, which again, I already set up as a PrettyLink before making this video. And my other CTA button will be a review page. So like a full blog post reviewing the backpack. And you'll see the links show up here as buttons. Under behavior, you can choose a template. Again, a default can be set in the PrettyLinks options, but you do have modern, bold, minimal, and classic. And it's modern by default, so I'll leave that set. Also, if you go to this page in our knowledge base on the PrettyLinks website, splash page templates, and then choose this section here, picking a template by intent, it'll give you some guidance and information on what template to actually use for different use cases. Or another good thing to do is just to try them all out. So select bold, save it, and see what that looks like, and throughout the list and see what you like best. You can change the alignment of the horizontal items, so you can go left like you see right here, right, or align them center, and same thing vertically. And you also notice this text on the bottom redirecting in 10. So this lets you set a time in seconds where the page will automatically redirect to your actual destination link. So in this example, my splash page will show for my user who goes to my PrettyLink for 10 seconds, and it'll count down redirecting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And then it'll automatically take them to my destination link. But if you toggle this off right here, it won't count them down, and the splash page will just show forever until they click off or click one of the buttons, etc. But for mine, I'm not going to use that countdown. I'm just going to turn this off, and I'll create the link. And you can see the PrettyLink was created. And if I go to PrettyLinks and PrettyLinks, you can see my new PrettyLink added here, and the type being Splash, which you see here. So I click on my actual link, my pretty link that I set up. It'll show my splash page instead of going to that actual destination link, which is my Amazon link. So here they can proceed with the actual link, the affiliate link, or they can read my review page, which is just a page that I created on WordPress, and then I created a pretty link for it. And they can watch my embedded video. So that's the gist of how a basic splash page can work. Again, this was just a very basic example, but be sure to go to our knowledge base on splash pages, which you see here, for a whole bunch of step-by-step guides on how to set up your splash pages, how to use templates, how to see your funnel reports, and some more information that you'll find all right here. So again, it'll give you some information about setting up those different templates, how to pick a template, how to switch between them, etc. You'll also see how to change those default settings in the PrettyLinks options too. And we have this whole page on the Splash Funnel Report where you can see your actual reports for your clicks on your splash pages. So now I'm just going to show you some other random use cases to give you some ideas of some other types of splash pages that you can set up. So just going down the list here of ones that we've created. Here's a basic example of a splash page. It doesn't have a timer on it, and it's for a speaker product with 2 different merchants. So they can choose to buy it on Amazon or buy it at Walmart. So these are just 2 separate pretty links that are selected as the 2 CTA buttons, and they could choose which one they want. Here's another example. So this is just more of an informational style or a disclosure type of example. So you see the redirect is set for 30 seconds, so it counts down from 30. And it's selling like a recyclable towel product, and it's just giving some information about how they're 100% recycled material. So this notification will show for the user for 30 seconds, and then it'll automatically redirect them to the affiliate link for the product. Here's that same type of notification, but in the bold template. So it just styles it a little bit different. And real quick, here's that same type of notification, just with a different look. This one here is for an upgrade offer. So it's on an affiliate product. So when a user clicks on it, they have the option to go to another product, which is sort of an upgrade, or they can simply click no thanks to get to the original product that they clicked on. Or if they don't click anything, it'll redirect them to their original affiliate product link you'll see here. Here's an example of an age gate type of splash page. So this could be for some type of affiliate product or membership product, or even a blog post that has to do with alcohol. So it's just saying that members have to be 21 and over, and there's links to join the club, already a member. But this could also say like, I'm not 21 and go somewhere else, or it could say I'm 21 and take them to the original product link or whatever the link is. Here's an example of an informational style splash page for a cookie consent. So it just says quick cookie reminder, and it lets them know that the site uses cookies, and it'll automatically redirect them in 30 seconds. Here's an example of an affiliate disclosure. So when someone clicks on an affiliate link on your website, it just lets the user know that it's an affiliate link and that you earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It'll redirect them, or again, you can set it to not redirect at all, and then they can just click here to get to the original product. And here's an example of a geo redirect, which will redirect users based on their geographic location. And you can read a lot more about these types of redirects in the PrettyLinks knowledge base. But it'll take them to different pages based on where they're at in the world. Here's an example of a coupon type of redirect. So before they get to the actual product page, you can give visitors a coupon code that they can copy and then use on that product sales page. And you can have whatever buttons that you want, and again, choose to either redirect it at a certain time or not. Here's an example splash page for some sunscreen. So it's just watching a video. There's no CTA because it'll automatically redirect them to the affiliate link page, but they can watch a video from the brand for some more information before actually getting redirected to the sales page or the affiliate link. Here's another example comparing 2 different kind of products. And these links go to certain pages that are like blog posts, or again, they can be any CTA button that you want. So this could be like selling 2 different products, and then these could each go to different affiliate sales links, or they can go to different review pages like you see here. Here's an example trying to get somebody on your mailing list before they get to your link, which you see right here. Add me to the list or no thanks. No thanks will take them to their original destination link. Then add me to the list will go to another page that they can sign up for your mailing list. Here's another link to get people a optional guidebook that they can download or buy. This was on an affiliate link to sell some pool test strips. They can either say no thanks, just the test strips, and go to the affiliate link for that, or get the guide to either buy or download either a free guide or a paid guide. So this can be used to upsell people on this. And that's it. You've now seen how to create splash pages on your PrettyLinks. Again, see your knowledge base for more step-by-step guides on how to set everything up with your splash pages. I just wanted to hop on here and show you a quick overview of how to set them up, the different kind of styles you can use, and some use cases to get you started. Hope this helped, and see you in the next one.